So today I'm going to share with you how us real estate investors estimate repairs quickly so we can make offers at lightning speed. Let's do this. Greetings, class. It's Chris Haskins with therealestateroundup.com. My mission and ministry is to raise your financial literacy through real estate investing and entrepreneurship. In doing that, I get the opportunity to share my real estate investing experience since 2004 to now with you because you allow me to pour into you. You could be anywhere in the world, but you're right here with me. So listen, why? Why do we need to learn how to estimate repairs quickly? Why is it? Because, Roundup family, investors like me, we are making offers like this, one, back to back to back. We're making offers all the time. And if you were taking a long time walking through the house, looking at the repairs, oh no, what do I need to do? How much is this going to be? How much is this? Oh no, how much does this cost? This, that. If you are overwhelmed with the price of the repairs and you can't quite get it through your head, wasting a lot of time, then you are going to get bypassed. You're going to get steamrolled over from other investors like me that are walking in the property and walking out in 2 to 3 minutes, and we have our numbers down, right? So I don't want you to get caught up wasting a bunch of time going over every little thing in a house. It doesn't make sense to do that. And I don't care if you're a flipper, if you're renovating homes, or if you're just going to be wholesaling them, never buying them, because the skill is speed. All right, let's do this. Let's see what we have here. My round-uppers, this I put together for you is generally for a 1,500 square foot house. Now, these numbers are going to change once you get to 2,000 and beyond, right? But this is anywhere between 12 to 16, 1,700 square foot house. So, and depends on what city you're in or what market you're in. Obviously, if you're in the hot market in California or in New York or in the lower Florida areas, things may cost more, right? But this is generally speaking the numbers that I've seen, and stuff has been going up over time. So I'm going to break down with you exactly how I do it to get you in and out of these houses. All right, let's do this. So first thing we'll look at, oh yeah, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you, actually, I'm going to give you my full construction estimator. I'm going to just give it to you. There's going to be a link at the end of the video that I'm going to share with you. You can just literally click on it, download my construction estimator. It has everything. Boom, boom, boom. I think it's like 20 different line items, and it asks you the questions that you need to know, so you can just plug it right in what repairs need to be done, right? So just hang with me. Watch me to the end, my round-uppers. All right, first thing we have here is our roof. This is a typical roof, 5,000. Could it be more? Could it be less? Maybe just a little bit more or less, but generally speaking, 5,000. Windows, and oh yeah, and roofs, we use architectural. We use architectural shingles. Do not use 3-tab shingles. What is the difference? 3-tab shingles don't look as sexy as architectural. Architectural shingles, when you're looking at them, they kind of look 3-dimensional. So give your homeowner architectural shingles. Don't give them that 3-tab crap. Next is our windows. Windows typically run $300 a piece. $300 a piece. So I did this as a 10 window house. Could it be 11 or 12 windows? Absolutely. But generally speaking, we got 10 to 11 windows in a house. Siding is going to cost you about $4,000 to do your siding, okay? And that's just normal Dutch slab siding. HVAC, that's going to be heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, central heating and air, right? Now, this can be broken down. And if you didn't know this, I'm going to tell you right now. I have my beautiful daughters here. This stuff is, it should be a crime, the prices that these central heating and air companies are charging homeowners to install this equipment, because the heat pump itself, round-uppers, is like $1,300 to $1,400. The air handler is like $300 to $400. So you're talking about $1,700 to $1,800 worth of, what are we doing, buddy?
Can I go in the garage?
What are we going to do out there?
Play a game?
No games. You don't know electronics. I just told you that. Round-uppers, the central heating and air materials, $1,300 heat pump. So we're like $1,800 max for the actual units itself, right? Now, the ductwork, $6,000 for your central heating and air to be installed. $6,000 is going to be for your units and for the duct work. All right. So if you don't have any duct work, you can slash $2,000 off of that. But I'm going to for our example here today, I'm going to presume that you have to do the entire system. All right. My beautiful daughter Taylor, why don't you grab your book? It's over there. We have to bring back. Oh. All right. We talked about that earlier. Bathrooms, round-uppers. Typically, I don't even do houses with one bathroom. I don't even like to do them anymore, right? So I'm putting $7,000. That's going to be 2 bathrooms. 1 bathroom to renovate it is going to be $3,500. All right, just stay with me because I'm going to get down to the miscellaneous, which is going to cover a lot of your questions, perhaps. Next is our kitchen, $8,000. General number for kitchen. Now these two here, bathroom and kitchen, you have to understand that these numbers, the 7,000 and the 8,000, good gracious, Missy, is going to include general electric and plumbing. General electric and plumbing, but not extra electrical and plumbing. What do I mean by that? Extra electrical and plumbing is going to be stuff in the wall, under the house, stuff where you have to take out, rip out, and put new. General electric and plumbing is just going to be stuff that's right there, like changing out outlets and changing out light fixtures. All right. So this number here is including electrical, plumbing, and it's including some of the flooring in there. All right. So we have a round number here, round up. You can't be just breaking down, okay, how much does tile cost over here? How many electrical outlets we're going to have to do? How about how much wiring are we going to have to do in the kitchen? Don't worry about that. 8,000 will cover it all. Next, electrical panel. Now, this is an additional expense outside of kitchen and bath. Electrical panel. Usually when we're doing these old houses, right? They might have an old electrical panel, or it might have circuits. So you got to put fuses in there, right? So $1,500 will get you to do a full upgrade on that. Next, you got to have appliances, round up. You must put this in your budget. How many houses have I done? Well, I did all the construction estimation and forgot to put the appliances. And in today's climate, mom with 2 kids, husband, family moving in, they want that stainless steel. They got to have that stainless steel because they're HGTV'd out, right? Next is our flooring. And remember, I said over here, these numbers here, these 2 numbers here cover the flooring for the bathroom and the kitchen. But the flooring here is going to be living room, dining room, and the hall. And carpet. Let me go ahead and put that here, flooring and carpet. So we've got 4,000. We typically do hardwood or the laminate in the living room, dining room, and the hall. And then we put carpet in the other bedrooms. And you can usually get carpet for around $1,000, and you should be able to get the laminate here for around $3,000. So that's going to be $4K for your flooring. Here we go. Miscellaneous, round-uppers. Miscellaneous. Paint. I can typically paint any house for $1.50 a square foot, right? So if you do 1,800 square foot house, it's going to be a little bit more than $2,000, right? Extra plumbing. We went over that a second ago. Stuff in the wall you got to rip out. Sometimes your drain lines are all corroded. They might have, galvanized. So you got to rip that stuff out. Sheetrock. Oh, electrical. Electrical is going to be going into the walls, running new lines, running new lights. Sometimes when you do a reconfiguration of the floor plan, you have to put new lights in, right? And then we've got extra sheetrock and framing. So sometimes you got to move a wall. It's no big deal. It will be included in the 5,000. So all this added up, round-uppers, is bringing us right to 45,500. This is a typical renovation. Sorry about that. 45,500 bucks. This is just a general rule of thumb. When I'm walking through, I'm like this. This is how I'm doing it. Let me show you. One thing I forgot to add, demo. We got it. Don't forget your demo. You have to rip all that old crap out, right? And when I finish this video, at the end, I'll do termite and foundation. How am I doing my estimates when I'm walking through, y'all? I'm like this. Roof, windows. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom, 3,000. Siding. Does it need siding? Yes or no? 4,000. Does it need a central heating in there? 6. Bathrooms. How many bathrooms is it? All right. 1, 2. Boom. Kitchen. Boom. 8,000. Does it need a new panel? Boom. $1,500. We have to do appliances? Yes, 2. Flooring, does it need flooring? Flooring bad? All right, 4,000. Miscellaneous, does it have to be painted? Do we have any extra plumbing? Are we gonna have to move a wall or so, sheetrock? And we got a demo 5? It's over. That should take you no more than 2 minutes. And the magic is, like what I'm doing right now, you can back out. Say for instance, if the house doesn't need windows, boom. You can back out 3,000. If the house doesn't need a roof, mark right through it. If the siding is good, mark right through it. That's going to take your budget down, right? It's going to give you more money to negotiate to pay your seller more, right? If the bathrooms are good, which I have yet to do a house that the bathrooms are good. I haven't seen one yet. So this is the general way that I do it to round-uppers, and I've been doing it like this for many, many years, and I've learned from some experts. I've learned from the experts. Let me get to this final thing. I told you I'll give you my construction estimator. Go ahead and you can download it. I'll put the link in the video description. It's an Excel file. It lets you put all those numbers in. It is beautiful. It asks you it has all the different subs, all the plumbing, electrical, siding, roof, windows, it's all right there. All you have to do is look at it and fill it in, okay? Now, termite and foundation. This is going to be extra, round-uppers. Termite, what is that? Before you buy a house, you better check me out now. You better pay attention here. Before you buy any house, if you are in a termite state, not like Minnesota where they don't have termites, they're lucky. Termites will eat you alive. They'll give you a bad hair day because they can eat up the wood under your property, up in the walls, even in the roof. They can tear you up. So that you have to get a termite inspection, get that letter so you know exactly what needs to be done. And foundation, structure. If the brick is separating or if you see cracks in the foundation, large cracks, just get a foundation report from a structural engineer. How do we find them? Just go to your local RIA. Right, just go to your RIA. So these two here require some type of letter, and it's just one letter, and then you can add that onto your 45,000. All right, that's all I've got to you, my round-uppers. Listen, don't be scared to estimate repairs, whether you're gonna buy it or you're gonna wholesale it. And stop looking around like, oh, I don't know, how much is light fixtures? How many we're either at 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Estimate repairs by the 5s, right? And if you got a lot of framing and a lot of sheetrock, this is going to go up to 10. That's all. Real simple, round-uppers. Okay, thank you for allowing me to pour. Thank you for letting me coach and train with you. This is Chris Haskins with the realestateroundup.com. And take a second to subscribe to my channel, my Roundup family. You know I love you. Your boy loves you. Like this content and share it. And I'd like to know, how do you estimate your repairs? What is it that you do when you're walking through a property? I want you in and out of these properties quickly. Okay, I'll see you next time. Peace.